AI is getting stronger and it is going to go after marketing jobs. But will it replace all marketing jobs? And is there anything marketers can do to make their careers future-proof? Let's find out. Hello and welcome to Young Urban Project's YouTube channel. My name is Puneet Tandon and today we are going to find out if artificial intelligence or AI is going to remove the need for marketers or are we all safe for now? Now here's the truth, AI has been around in marketing for quite some time now. You might not have seen it visibly, but it has been there. Do you know where all you have been using AI? If you run ads on Facebook, Instagram, Google or any other platform, the targeting on these platforms is so accurate and so precise because of AI. A lot of personalization in marketing can be done with the help of AI. A lot of websites also use AI chatbots for customer support. And unless you've been living under a rock, in the last 2 years there was a crazy rise of AI-based copywriting tools like Copy.ai, Jarvis, Writer and so many more. As technology is evolving, many industries are adopting AI to improve efficiency and to streamline their processes. But the real reason why so many people and marketers in general are suddenly getting so scared is due to the mainstream adoption of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the most advanced conversational AI tool out there, and some people even went ahead and called it the Google killer. This is the first time regular people got to witness the power of artificial intelligence and they could see the impact it can bring. So the question is, should marketers be worried about AI? Honestly, yes and no. Marketers should be worried because AI will disrupt marketing and digital marketing forever. There are things like ad optimization, content writing, copywriting, media planning, and many other things that AI can do better than humans. There are already tools available to help marketers automate all of this. Earlier, it was thought that creative marketing roles would not be easily replaced by AI, but ChatGPT has proved that it can help you create marketing strategies, write video scripts, and so much more. And it can do a lot of creative tasks better than humans and faster than humans. In fact, AI models like DALL-E can even generate images based on your prompts. Even Canva has introduced this feature now, and these images are better than the stock images you can use. Stock image companies like Shutterstock should be really scared about this. I've been using AI tools for almost 2 years now to help me write blogs, emails, landing page copies, and so much more. A lot of my research time gets saved due to these AI tools. These tools aren't perfect, but they can increase efficiency and they can give a good direction to marketers. I've been doing that for a long time now. Now, before you start panicking, here is why all marketers don't need to worry. It is important to understand that AI will not eliminate the need for human marketers completely. Instead, it will augment their abilities and help them make more informed decisions. AI can be used to analyze large amounts of data, identify patterns, make predictions that would otherwise be impossible for humans to do. This can be incredibly valuable in areas such as customer segmentation and targeting, campaign optimization, and even creative development. However, there are also limitations to what AI can do in marketing. For example, it cannot replace the human touch in building relationships with customers. It also can't completely replace the creativity and the strategic thinking that comes from human marketers and their experience. Also, AI is still in its infancy and there is a lot of room for improvement. As the technology advances, it will have more applications to help marketers get more efficient. So what should marketers do to secure their career in the future? There is a quote I was reading that marketing jobs won't be replaced by AI. They will be replaced by a human who knows how to use AI. AI is here to help humans. It is not the enemy. With that in mind, it is very important for marketers to start using AI tools in their daily lives. Whether you are writing content, doing keyword research, making sales pages, making videos for Instagram or YouTube like this one, there is an AI tool out there to help you with that. Start using those tools and that will keep you updated with the technology changes because those tools will change with the tech too. Now I'm going to make a bold prediction that the companies hiring marketers in future will start asking for knowledge in AI tools, like how they expect marketers to know tools like Google Analytics, HubSpot, SEMrush and more of these. That will happen for AI tools too. This is inevitable in the future and I suggest you start preparing for it so you can win in the long term. Remember, the top 5% of the marketers are are not going to get replaced as long as they keep evolving and adapting with the technology. It's only the lazy ones, it's only the ones that are not evolving and not adapting, they are the ones in trouble. So make sure you get into the top 5%. So that is it for this video. We've made a long form video for YouTube after a long time, and we plan to start doing it regularly. So if you want to show your support, click on the like button, drop a comment, and share this video with someone who you feel might enjoy this. So if you want to learn digital marketing concepts and want to stay updated with the latest and the greatest in this space, subscribe to Young Urban Project and do press that bell icon. My name is Puneet Tandon and I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning.